Welcome back to our channel. We're the World Family Explorers, Chris, Elly, Logan, and Connor. We left your life in the US behind for a world of adventures, and today we're in Seoul, South Korea for one of our favorite experiences yet. We are going to a local grandma's home to learn how to make traditional Korean food from scratch. Together we'll make kimbap and crispy kimchi pancakes while learning more about Korean culture, family traditions, and everyday life from a local. This was such a special and authentic experience, and we can't wait to share it with you. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get cooking.
Welcome back to our channel. We are here in Seoul, South Korea, and we are going to do a cooking experience at a local home with a grandma.
We're actually going to her house, and she's going to teach us how to make two different dishes today: kimchi pancakes and kimbap. So this is a totally new experience. I have never made any kind of Korean food. So this is going to be really fun and exciting, and I'm sure the kids are going to enjoy it too.
Yeah, and her house is actually right over here. Almost time for us to go and meet Grandma Sharon.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
You gonna make some new food?
You gotta have an open mind because the kimchi might be a little spicy.
Nice to meet you. 안녕.
안녕하세요.
Thank you.
Connor, you know how to say hello?
안녕하세요.
There you go. She's gonna teach us how to cook.
That's right. We're gonna make kimchi pancakes today and kimbap. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
It's so cool to be in an actual Korean grandma's house. It's so cute. It's very homey. We are gonna have some traditional Korean tea right now. I've heard great things about it. It's supposed to be like an herbal type of tea. It's supposed to be really good for you. So Logan really likes tea, don't you, Logan?
Yeah.
Cookie?
Ginger
Yes.
tea.
Kids will definitely like cookies. Yes.
Who wouldn't?
Who wouldn't like a cookie, right?
I can't wait to try this tea.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
10
Ooh.
I'm 8.
and 8. First sip of official South Korean tea.
It is a very cold day today, so this is good.
I'm Sharon Chang.
Sharon
Korean
Chang.
name is difficult. Chang, Kyung. So good.
Oh, okay.
Easy name. Sharon.
Easy for us to say Sharon.
Yeah, easy. I will live here 30 years.
30 years.
Yeah.
In this house?
Yeah, in this house. There were 6 of us in my family.
We're very happy to be here.
Because it's the best way to learn about a culture, I think, is through meeting the people and
yeah.
learning the food and tasting the food. And this tea is delicious. It
Yeah.
is so good. It's very gingery and warm and just like warms up your soul. It's very, very good. And it's a little bit sweet, so I think the kids will like it too. You want to try?
Okay, Logan, be very careful. You like it?
Yeah.
He likes tea.
Be
We
very
have
careful.
a little cookie.
Oh, okay.
So I'm always in for cookies. Connor, you have tea and cookie too.
I'm not sure if it's too hot, so I'm going to check the heat.
잘 거야.
He ate his cookie already.
Oh,
He
you ate the
likes
cookie?
it. Yeah, he ate it quick. I'm not sharing mine with you.
I have an idea, Mom. Dip the cookie in the tea.
Oh, these are really good cookies. They're kind of peanut butter.
She renewed your cookie. This is for the kids, number 20 country.
20. Yeah, maybe 20.
Oh, yeah?
About.
That's good.
Hopefully this releases some of the heat. It's actually quite gingery.
I love these.
Yeah.
Very beautiful. Yeah.
Very
nice.
nice.
Money.
Oh, that is amazing. Yeah, I can taste the ginger. Okay, Grandma Sharon's gonna show us her house. You have a very big TV. I know Korea makes the best TVs. Oh,
My father last year passed away.
oh so sorry.
Father, first son, second son, third daughter.
And then you have one son in military?
Yeah, military. Air
Oh,
Force.
Air Force.
Yeah, handsome.
Looks like her apartment is so spacious.
I know, yeah.
This is my treasure of my family.
Oh.
My mom gave me. Yeah, it's handmade furniture. It's
Wow.
very ornament, very
Detail.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
beautiful. Yeah. Family
Yeah,
heirloom.
Her name is Munja.
Do you put anything in it?
No, a lot of money.
I know, this is your tip jar. This is the tip jar. Put in, okay.
Come here.
Beautiful.
All right. Oh, upstairs.
I'm here in Seoul. Yeah,
All right,
in
kids.
Korea, North Korea, South Korea.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
We're going to be going to the DMZ.
Yeah, it's,
We're going to go visit right across there. Oh, and look, these
Yeah,
sculptures.
look,
Look.
they're so ridiculous.
Is that your grandbaby?
Baby is USA baby.
Hopefully they come to
Yeah,
visit soon.
Oh my gosh. This place is much bigger than I expected.
Oh.
Spacious. Wow.
Golfing.
Oh, her husband's a good golfer.
Yeah,
huh?
yeah. Everyday golfing. Nice.
He has 3 golf bags. All right, nice library.
Guest room.
Guest room.
Yeah. Last year, exchange students live here.
It's a very nice large home.
Do you know what year this home was built?
70.
In the 1970s? Oh, okay.
10 years remodelling.
Remodeled 10 years ago, okay. It's about as old as me. I'm 1977. Hey, Logan, you're getting ready to be the cook.
Oh yeah.
You ready for action, Logan?
I'm looking good.
Yeah, you look good, buddy. Looking good, Connor. Mama's ready to get cooking, and so is Dad. All right, we're ready to start cooking. Now, kids, you have to listen to instructions.
Like 2 rolls, kimbap, and kimchi pancakes. Ingredients: ham, carrot,
Radish.
pickled radish, fish cake, egg, kimbap, seaweed.
Okay, seaweed wrap.
Yeah. First, we'll make kimbap.
Okay.
Okay. 2 eggs, 1 pinch salt,
So far, not too bad.
like oil.
So we're cooking the meat first.
Yeah. Okay.
Sizzle on there.
The egg is
not
as
egg.
an omelette.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
Omelet.
You know how to do that, Connor. You make omelets, right?
I make scrambled eggs, not omelets.
So the difference between kimbap and sushi is kimbap has cooked
Yeah,
ingredients,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
No raw fish.
The rice is also different, right? The rice for kimbap is with sesame oil.
Oh
the
yeah.
sushi rice is
Kimbap
with rice vinegar.
Yeah.
Snippy.
That's kind of like the key difference between the two.
Yeah. Now.
I smell like a hint of peanut butter. No, there's no peanut butter. I just don't know why I smell a scent.
Maybe it's the sesame oil.
Not Sesame Street.
It's the-
Sesame
Oh.
oil. Oh,
We
now
have our little egg omelet here. So I assume we're probably going to be slicing this for our kimbap.
How do you know everything?
Let me script a thing or two in here, like. There we go. This.
Yeah, long piece.
Ready to
ingredients. Yeah, is kimbap roll.
Yeah, to help us roll.
It's just like
One side is shiny.
on side.
Oh, inside
yeah,
is no shiny?
yeah.
Not shiny on the
Okay, so
inside.
that's good to know.
There. You don't want to do it backwards,
Because I was
Connor.
probably going to mess that up.
And this is why we take a cooking class on this, right, Connor? So we don't mess it up.
Yes. Spread it.
Good, you get a
Yeah,
facial.
Seems your face like a sauna.
Spread it evenly. No press.
Side side.
살살.
You don't want to push it down and smush the rice.
Carrot.
Pickled radish.
Yeah.
Ham. And the
Fishy.
fish.
Yeah. Wow.
Egg. Okay. roll.
Okay. A little press. It's not burst.
I'm most nervous about this part.
Yeah.
You better not burst.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, look at
this.
Beautiful.
Sesame oil.
Just to make it shiny. Now
Yeah.
I'm nervous. I don't think mine's gonna look as pretty as that one.
Yeah.
Now she's slicing it.
It reminds you of sushi, huh?
Nicely flat.
Ooh.
And it looks pretty, it tastes pretty, right?
Try this.
Oh, I'll take a try.
Yes.
Oh, Logan's vegetarian.
어떡하나.
How is it? Amazing? She's gonna make it a vegetarian one for you special, Logan, okay?
Okay.
Vegetarian.
It's pretty good.
Pretty good? Nice and fresh?
That was delicious.
And Connor is
Still-
still, Connor's got a big mouthful there.
It was still a little bit warm, but it was so fresh and delicious.
I didn't try it. Oh, look at that.
I feel ready.
Yeah.
Let's see how we do. This is our test. The first step is we're gonna crack our egg.
Yeah.
No shell. Dropped a little bit of extra. So drag.
Now, Connor, pinch of salt.
We move on to the next step. So we have to scramble our eggs. And then now we're gonna move on
And now you
to
can mix.
slicing our protein.
I remember where to slice it.
Oh yeah.
We have to cook our meat.
Good job.
Should I put it all over?
Ooh. Good job.
Okay.
Usually he's not the cook in the family, but look at you go.
Oh yeah, mommy makes the omelets. Yes. Daddy eats them.
Now that you're learning from a professional, I think you'll be making all the omelet.
Ooh. Wow.
And then
Wow.
That's one of that brag.
Wait now, so now it's actually gonna be Connor cooking omelets for the whole family.
Again. Oh.
Hey!
To say I'm not intimidated is gonna be a lie, okay? It's gonna be much harder than I anticipate. But we will try it. It's gonna be easy, Logan?
Yeah.
Oh, guys, it's gonna be easy, okay. We have everything that we need. We have our seaweed. I never really noticed that it has two sides to it. The one's like flat and the other one's
inside.
shiny. We have our rice here.
How's it going, Logan?
It's going very good. I'm doing very well.
How you doing, Mama?
You know,
She's surviving.
I'm surviving, yes.
How's it going, Connor? I think you need more rice, Connor. You need more.
I definitely do.
Okay.
Chris, less pressing, I think.
It's not good?
So too big.
Oh no, mine's too big.
Grandma almost had a panic attack over yours.
Logan is getting his special vegetarian kimbap.
Yeah.
Connor, you're doing pretty good, baby. Let me help you spread it out just a little bit. Getting it nice and tight.
I did it.
Oh! You did it so fast.
I'm a Sigma.
What does Sigma mean?
Oh, there you go, Logan. That's beautiful.
Yeah. You're great.
Yeah, I'm great.
Job.
Logan, you're a kimbap chef
Oh, yeah.
now. It's your final test.
Like that?
Yes. Good job.
And then we roll?
Roll it.
I'm so scared.
This is a touch. You
Press.
press.
And now I undo it. Moment of truth. Okay, she's thick, but that's okay. It's okay. I admit that. I'm so proud of myself right now.
Yours is beautiful. A work
Yes.
of art.
What happened to my
Start at the bottom. Do a big, thick roll. Press down.
The moment of truth.
Oh! Nice, Connor.
Yeah.
Good job.
Look at that. Perfection.
Oh.
I'm not the best cutter in the world. It's so hard.
Cutting is hard.
Good job.
Was that
I
fun?
did good.
Was that fun?
Yes.
It is definitely hard to get them really rolled tight. These ones were a little bit loose on them. Press.
Look at you go, Chris.
Try it.
Press hard.
Seal it in.
Okay. Good job.
Okay, we're gonna find out.
짜잔.
Whoa.
Wow.
Okay, nice and tight.
Good job.
So now it's ready to slice.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Good job.
My second roll turned out pretty good.
Yes.
Looks pretty.
Who's cuts
All right. Oh, your second one looks better.
I did this all by myself. I am so proud. This is looking pretty good.
Oh. So we're gonna eat some here, and then we're packaging some to go. We're a kimbap
Okay.
factory now.
We're just gonna make kimbap and sell it at 7-Eleven. I don't know.
There we're gonna get a street food stand. Get your kimbap. You can make money, Logan.
Your business.
We made all that.
Yeah.
Look at that. A bunch to go.
My first one failed, and my second one to go was great.
It's still edible. The next one is gonna be kimchi pancakes.
Yeah.
How long do you wait for the kimchi when you put it in the jar?
1 month or
1
3
month.
months
Mhm.
during the winter.
We put water.
Flour mixing. It's kimchi is all seasoning. Every day we eat
Kimchi.
kimchi.
Oh, every day, okay.
Every day, every
So it's
day.
probably the #1 Korean food.
Yeah.
Putting it together here with the flour,
Yeah.
water. That's
That's
it.
it.
That's
Yeah.
it.
That's all it takes. 3 ingredients. Do you think you're able to make your own kimchi pancake?
Yes, I very much do know how to make pancakes.
Does it smell spicy?
You can smell a hint of spice.
Looks definitely a bit spicy. We'll see if we can handle it.
How is it going to turn into pancakes?
Yeah.
How is it
looks
gonna
like
turn
a
to
pancake.
pancakes?
Yeah.
It's the shape of a pancake.
Yeah. Shape
It's a
is pancake.
savory pancake, not your typical sweet pancake.
You have to make that sound every time, Connor.
Cheese? Yes.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't like cheese.
Do we like cheese? These look really good. Look, they got nice and crispy.
Cheese makes everything better. I didn't know there was going to be cheese on it, too.
It's even better.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
Oh,
Yeah. Each one.
fresh. It's going to be hot, huh?
You try this?
Mmm. Ready to try it? It's a little bit spicy.
Grandma's feeding you.
Oh.
Oh wow, that is delicious. It is a little bit spicy, super cheesy. She gave me one of the cheesy ones. She must like me better. The
think
cheese,
so.
I definitely think is the way to go. So since the kimchi was obviously marinated, it also has its own liquid that it's releasing as I'm mixing it.
That was very spicy.
That was spicy.
Oh.
Oh,
Very, very, very spicy.
Sorry.
it's okay.
All right, so we got this.
Yeah.
Now we put it
That
in.
makes 2.
Yeah.
There we go.
Kind of round.
It's not about how it looks, it's about how it tastes. Flour
One.
first.
Big table. One.
Okay, so 1 into the mixture.
1 big tablespoon of flour.
One full one. Whoa.
Okay, that's it.
That's enough. That's enough. Oh, Logan.
It's okay.
Mix it.
Mix it.
We might have to add a little bit more water. You got a little too excited with the flour.
Mommy needs to flip hers. All right. Kimchi pancakes are done. You did a little cheese on yours too.
Look at that.
Yeah.
There you go.
It's perfect.
Good job.
No eating the cheese, Logan.
Cheese.
Logan.
I love cheese.
No, she just said at the same time.
Logan's eating the cheese off of his. All right, Connor. You getting yours in the pan?
And now put it on the other side. No? There
There
you
you
go.
go.
Are you definitely going to add some cheese?
So most excited about the cheese.
Quick.
Oh,
Now we'll sprinkle on this cheese. And now for me.
Who knew kimchi pancakes were so easy to make?
Yeah.
Just
I know.
three ingredients.
Easy.
Yeah.
So
Three
easy.
ingredients. Flour,
It's
kimchi,
well
obviously,
Yeah.
and then water.
We're getting the table set up here. She had already prepared some soup for us as well.
Yeah, a fish cake soup. Oh,
Yeah.
tomatoes. Okay.
There's more over here.
We eat well.
잘
먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다.
오!
잘 먹겠습니다.
Good job.
자.
We will eat well.
야.
It's amazing. So this is soup right here.
야. 저기 피시.
What's the word fish?
You like
I
fish,
don't know what I
baby? You
think
like
about.
salmon?
Come on, give it a try. No? Connor's not a fan.
We have a whole feast here. Time to try this soup. So Grandma made it for us earlier. The broth is really nice. It's savory, a little salty, not super strong. I feel like the kids would like the broth. This is nice.
I'm trying I forgot the name of this.
Kimbap.
Kimbap.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see if I like this.
와우. 오.
Small mouth, big kimbap. It's a thumbs up. And you got you made the vegetarian version.
Yeah.
So Logan didn't put any of the fish or any of the ham in his. So that's nice. You can customize it when you make it yourself. I haven't seen any vegetarian ones at the store.
Actually here, it has been a little more challenging to find vegetarian options. So to be able to customize his own food, I think that's really, really nice. We have over here our kimchi pancakes that we made. Have a little bite here. That's really good. Yeah, we have a great feast ahead of us.
So this is definitely my first time trying kimchi pancakes. That is really good. I think that little bit of sprinkle of cheese is good on there too.
We do have spoons. I just kind of started to drink it. But
Oh. Broth is really good, really flavorful. And I think I saw these at the street market actually.
they're just kind of chewy and
That's good. Just soaks up the broth. No, it's good. So far, I'm loving Korean food for sure. We just finished up our meal. It was very good. The kimchi was a little too spicy for the kids, right?
Yeah.
I'm still proud of you for trying it, even though it was spicy.
look at this bag.
So we got some for tonight.
Sending us
So
home with.
thank you so much for inviting us to your home.
This was so much fun.
Yeah,
And we
and-
loved getting to know you and seeing your home. So thank you so much.
감사합니다.
아, 괜찮습니다. See you again.
Oh.
In Korea.
Got some gifts for you,
Yeah,
Chris.
gifts.
Oh, the fan. No hitting your brother with it. Not a weapon.
Well, that was such a fun experience. I loved getting to know Sharon. I felt like she was my Korean grandma. She was so kind and welcoming and made this experience so much fun.
I really enjoyed learning to make the food. The kids thought it was a little too spicy on the kimchi. But hey, I'm proud of you for trying new things.
And it's all about learning a new culture and getting new experiences. But anyway, this is all for today and stay tuned for more adventures here in Korea.
Make sure to like and subscribe.